How's it going, everyone? Brian here from Aquatech. So today I'm going to go over the step-by-step procedures on how to set up assistive touch, tap to wake, and raise to wake. All right, first, assistive touch. Now this is great in order to put the iPhone to sleep when it's inside the AxisGO. So you just go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch, and then when you hit the tab, when it shows green, that means it's on. And there's gonna be three different options. There's gonna be single tap, double tap, and long press. Now when you turn on assistive touch, this digital icon right here will pop up. For me personally, I just set up long press in order to set up the digital button that pops up to put the iPhone to sleep. Go to long press, scroll down, and select lock screen. Okay, now I have a long press set to lock screen. All I do is hold this down, and the iPhone gets put to sleep. Okay, next up is tap to wake and raise to wake. Now these are the two methods in order to wake up your iPhone once it's inside the AxisGO. So first, I'm gonna start with tap to wake. So you go to Settings, Accessibility, go to Touch, and then right here it says tap to wake. So you just slide that over. When it shows green, that means tap to wake is set to wake up your iPhone. So let's go here, tap the screen, now the iPhone wakes up. Okay, next up is raise to wake. So you just go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and raise to wake right here, slide that over, shows green, that means it's on, and now it's on raise to wake. So if I put the iPhone to sleep, then I raise it, now it wakes up. And that's how you set up raise to wake. Okay, so that concludes the step-by-step process of assistive touch, raise to wake, and tap to wake. Now just remember, if you have any questions, please reach out to our team. We're always there to help. And make sure you like and subscribe.